Yeah. Amin, good evening. Or he's left. Okay. So, children, let's get back and let me start a new whiteboard. Yeah. Before we start, let's do a quick revision and understanding whether y'all are in frequency with me or not. Give me the answer in chat box, children, quickly. Good evening, Amin. Quickly do, children. 1 minute. Correct, Bhargavi. The first part is correct. The first question is correct. The yellow one. Others? No, Danya. How you got that? Observe. It is only plus sign. There is no multiplication there. No, Shubhashri, check correctly again. Pawan. Pawan, check again. Check again, Navya. Yes, yellow one. Check again. Okay. 15 more seconds. Correct, Bhargavi. Bhargavi has got both correct. Good. Govardhan, correct. No, Govardhan, check again. Yeah, correct, Govardhan. Yellow one is correct. Okay, children, let's do it. So, no, I want this. Subhashri, it is not nothing. You can't write answer like 4 root 2 plus and. You should write me this. It is nothing and. There's nothing called and. What is the sign that will come in between? Shweta, you also. No and. You are studying maths. Okay. So, Bhargavi, can you tell us how you got the yellow one? Yes. So, first we'll see what is the same house. Yes, I can. Same house. Okay. Root 2, same house. Then, okay. So, okay. So, you first. Okay. And root 3 are same house. Okay. So, you added 1 plus and then you added 4, correct? So, same house. 4 plus 1 becomes what? 5 root 3. Then you saw, okay, 3 is there outside root 2 house. And again, 1 is there outside root 2 house. So, 3 plus 1 becomes 4 root. Simple answer. Okay, Govardhan. Next, red one. So, which are the common houses? Root 2 house is common. Root 2 house is common. Correct. So, what is the number outside the house? 3 plus 8. Correct. So 3 plus 8 becomes 11, and then I write the house as it is. Correct? Then the next house which is common is what? Root 5 and root 5. So, what is the number outside the house with the signature -7 and +8. So -7 and +8 is what? No, children, it is +1, because you will minus 8 minus 7 you will do, and keep the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number is 8, so sign of bigger number is plus 1 root 5, and this is equal to 11 root 2. 1 we don't write generally, so we will write root 5. This is the answer. Correct? Simple. Yeah. So let's go to the next one. One more we will do. So Bhargavi's got 2 points. Okay. So now we have 3 root 2 divided by 27 root 12. Give me the answer in chat box. Please mute. Children, please mute. Children, please mute. Children, please mute. Rajesh, please mute. None of you have got answer. Only yes, Govardhan has got. So Govardhan, remove the ones. Remove the ones and give me the correct answer. Yes, Navya? Pawan, hold on. Let me check. Till the time I don't check, I will not tell. Where is your answer, Pawan? Where is your answer? Pawan. Yes, you got, but remove the ones. Tell me the final answer. Whoever give me the final answer correctly, I will. No, still not. Still not. Govardhan, still not. Still not. Children, please give me correct answer. 30 seconds more. Second one. Anybody's done? Second one. Pushpa, please mute yourself. Let me check. Pawan, no. No. Govardhan, no. What to do, yaar? Shweta, no such messages, please. You have sent that message to me by mistake. Okay, children, time up. None of you have given me the correct answer, so still confusion exists. So let me. Children, like this, we won't be able to progress only. Okay, so we had 3 root 2 divided by 27 root. How much? Correct, no? Correct. So what happens here? 3 root 2 means nothing but 3 multiplied by root 2 and 27 multiplied by root 12. Correct? Correct? Okay. The numbers which are not inside houses, we can write them together, which they are already 3 by 27. We can write them. Number which are in the houses, we can combine the houses. 2 by 12. Why? Because it's multiplication and division. In that we can combine. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. Correct? So the number outside the houses become 1 divided by 9 and the number inside the houses become 1 divided by 6. Correct? So I will repeat 1 divided by 9. Now I will break the house. So I will say root 1 multiplied by root 1 divided by root 6. Then I can combine the numerators. I will write 1 root 1 divided by 9 root 6. 1 root 1 is what? Nothing but 1 divided by 9 root 6. This is the final answer. Children, in multiplication division, you can write however you want to get calculation done. For example, 1 minute, child. 1 minute. Wait. Yeah, tell me, ask me. Yeah, use. Yes. Yes. How 4? How 4? How can you divide 3, which is outside the house, with number inside the house? I told you cannot, no? So you cannot do that. So you can do outside. That is what I'm doing. That is what I'm doing. But I'm doing stepwise. Yes, Shweta. Then, child, I have sent you the link of the video. You should have seen the video. I sent a link saying basic operations, basic mathematical operations. Today I send you YouTube link. It is very simple, child. But it is very easy to understand when I tell you. But till the time you don't do worksheet and don't make mistake, you will not understand. You will forget. So worksheet doing is most important. Okay. Now, children, look at this very carefully. Look at this very carefully. This is what? Nothing but multiplication and division. You can always write this as 3 multiplied by root 2 divided by 27 multiplied by root 12. Now, whenever you have like this multiplication only and division only, you can write this as 3 divided by 27 multiplied by root 2 divided by root 12. You can write this like this also. You can write it like this also. 3 divided by root 12 multiplied by root 2 divided by 27 also. Sorry, yeah. Any way you can write. That is the best thing about multiplication and division. You can combine in any form. But we will always combine so that we can solve it. Correct? Otherwise, what is the use of combining? So here, combination is very, very simple. I will combine the houses, the numbers which are outside the houses, and I will keep the numbers which are inside the houses together. Then I will do simplification. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Sorry, this is not 12. This is 27. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines. So I will get 1 by 9 root 1 by 6. So 1 divided by root 6. Sorry, Bhargavi, I can't hear you. Can you type? And then this becomes 1 divided by 9 root 6. This is your final answer. And children, this you have to keep doing, then only you will get it. So let's do the other one. Yeah, thanks. Okay. So now let's go back and do this quickly, children. We are spending a lot of time in basics. But no problem. Let us do this. So Let us now do the second one, the green one. So what happens in the green one? Okay. So can I combine all this? So I can write this 5 into root 4 into 24 into root 12 divided by 6 root 3 multiplied by 15. Sorry, 6 root 3, I'll write multiplication. 6 into root 3 into 15 into root 20. Very nice. Now what I'll do, I can do one technique. I can keep all numbers outside the houses together, correct? So let me write it very cleanly here. No space. So let me rub this and let me take this up. So I will have, what will I do, children? Can you hear me? Hello? Yeah. So all numbers which are outside the houses, can you tell me? 5 divided by 6 into 15. Okay. Please mute. Please mute. After answering, please mute. Rajesh, please mute. Pavni, please mute. Yeah. So I have, and then I will keep all the houses, all the numbers in the houses, I will combine together. So can you tell me what are they? 4 into 12 divided by 3 divided by 20. Very good. Now children, look at this. Now see which numbers come with each other in tables. Oh, multiplication table. 5 ones are 5. 5. 3s are 15. Let me use different color. 5 ones are 5. 5 3s are 15. 6 ones are 6. 6 4s are 6 4s are. Children, can you hear me? Yes. Then let me go inside the house and I can see, oh, wonderful. 4 ones are 4. 4 5s are 20. 3 ones are 3. 3 4s are 12. So what do I get? I will get, I'm rubbing the student. So I will get equal to 1 into 4. 1 into 4 divided by 1 into 3, correct? Multiplied by, now can you tell me what is happening inside the house? Anybody, raise your hands. Tell me what remains inside the house. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Rajesh, go ahead. 1 into, look, yes, 1 into 4 divided by, very good. So then I will write, generally when I have 1, I will not write 1. Children, please note, I will remove the 1. So what is my answer? 4 divided by 3 and multiplied by root 4 divided by 5. And generally when there are two different kind of numbers, I will remove multiplication also. So I have, final answer is 4 divided by 3 root of, yes Kirtana? Yes. This is my final answer, children. It is simple, but you have to keep practicing, child. Otherwise, there's no, yeah. It's very simple. You all will understand when I do it. But when you do it, you will make mistake. It is, I also used to make hundreds of mistakes in 8th standard, 9th standard. But we have to keep practicing. Understood? Okay. Sometimes even now I make mistake. You're seeing, no? But it's okay. But we have to learn. Okay. Yeah. Who wants previous page? Which one? Previous problem. This one. Quickly write. Quickly, children. It's already, see, 6:50. We already spent roughly half an hour on revision only. Actually, 10 minutes should be spent on revision. But it's clear, children, I want you all to do worksheet, please. I want submissions of worksheet more. Now only 3% children are giving me worksheet. Okay. So now, children, having understood the operations, let us now, yeah. Now, children, tell me last year, did you all learn something called identities? Can you tell me? Anyone? Raise your hands. No, 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 no. That is different. There is something called mathematical identities. Today morning I taught you all something called axioms, no? So yeah, so there's something called identity. Yes, Govardhan. Give me, give me an example. Yeah, give me. Is equal to mm, correct, but signs are wrong. Okay, so Govardhan, very good. So there is the first. Yes. Hmm. What was the question, Pawan? If you got the answer, you will. If you got the answer, that means I've answered. No. What was the question? Don't use my whiteboard, children. Who's using my whiteboard? Prince Amin, don't use that. Yeah. Yeah, what was the question, Pawan? Which page? Which problem? Which one? This one? Huh? Hmm? Correct. Why will you add? It is multiplication, no? Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. Please answer, Subhashri. Okay. Okay, wait. Let me finish this quickly. Well, let me finish this. Pawan, I can write this as 2, 3 into 1 root 2 upon 27 into 1 root 2. Same only. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 root 2. 27 into 1 is also 27 root 2. Same thing. How add, yeah? Look at this, no, child. How you will add? It's multiplication, no? No. See, if you have multiplication and you add, then there's a mistake. Okay. Let's go back. Clear? Your doubt is clear? If it's not clear, we'll come back after the class. First, first identity, children, is a plus b the whole square. Means what? It means a plus b multiplied by a plus b. Correct? Is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Remember this by heart. You all have studied this in 8th. I will not spend time explaining it because, like an axiom, just remember it. Just remember it. I will tell you why you have to remember it. This a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Write it down in your notebook and write it down 10 times after the class. Okay? Okay. Now, so now let me write it neatly and raise your hands, please, children. Raise your hands. Anybody? Anybody raise your hands? Give me the answer. No, Govardhan. Yes, Navya. Very good. A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2AB means 2 multiplied by A multiplied by B. Okay. Very good. Anybody has doubt? Okay. Now, can somebody tell me? Yes, Vijay, you have a doubt? Okay. Now, suppose I say 5 plus 2 the whole square. Okay. What is the answer? Anybody raise your hands. Yes, Vijay. Yes, Vijay. Vijay? Yeah, please go ahead. So it is 5 square plus 2 square 2 into 5 into 2. Correct? 2AB means. So what did Vijay do? Vijay said A is 5 and 2 is B. Correct? So he did A square plus B square plus 2 multiplied by A multiplied by B. So this is A square plus B square plus 2 multiplied by A multiplied by B. Clear? Very good. Yeah. What is this? 5 square is how much? So 5 square is 25. 2 square is? Okay. And 2 into 5 into 2? 20. Can somebody add me and tell me how much is this? Yes. 39. Correct? This answer? Okay. But is there another way of doing this? Who didn't understand? Okay. For Shweta's sake, once more. Shweta. Shweta. Can you hear me, Shweta? Okay. You understood A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB? Have you by hearted it? Only Shweta. Wait, Pawan, hold on. Pawan, hold on. Raise your hands. Raise your hands when you want to ask any doubt. Yeah. Now, Shweta, tell me which is A? Yes. A is 5. So, A is 5 and B is 2, correct? Okay. So, can I write this as what is the formula? A square. So, what is A square here? Shweta? Shweta. What is A square now? Yes. Correct. So now instead of A square, what will you write? Because I've given you 5 plus 2 and 5 is A. 5 square plus 2AB. 2AB means 2 multiplied by A is 5 and B is 2. Correct? Then I have what is 5 square? No, 5 square. 5 multiplied by 5. Children, 5 multiplied by 5, Shweta. 5 square means 25. And what is 2 square? Yes. And what is 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2? 10 twos are? No, Shweta, I'm asking Shweta. Correct. No, yeah, 2 5s are 10 and 10 multiplied by 2, 20. Children, this is basic. Okay, now add this. You will get answer 49. Okay, yes, Pawan. Now tell me. So this is a method. Okay, very good. Yeah, tell me. Tell me. Yes. So Pawan is saying directly I can do, sir. Why you are going through formula? 5 plus 2, 7. 7 square equal to 49. Correct? That is why this formula is not used for small numbers. Because small numbers I can do directly. Now I will change it. Now I will give you a complicated number. Now tell me, child, when I have root 2 plus root 3, the whole square. Now tell me. Shortcut, Pawan. Shortcut. Give me shortcut. You can't. That is why. Yes. Excellent. So now I need this formula. What is A? And B? So then I will write root 2 square plus plus yes plus Bhargavi 2 into root 2 into 2 into 3. So I got a square plus b square plus 2 into root 2 into root 3. What is root 2 square, children? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Yes, Harshita. Yes, Harshita. What is root 2 square? Hmm. Root 2 multiplied by root 2. Ah, 2. No, children. See, that is why you all should do worksheet. Last week I had told you all. Last week I had given you all a worksheet. I will prove to you all I had given you a worksheet. Any number, square root multiplied by square root will be the number. I had given you all this worksheet. Root 10 into root 10 equal to 10. Root 5 into root 5 equal to 5. I had given you all this worksheet. You didn't do and you all forgot. Now tell me. Now let's do it again. Yeah. Now tell me what root 2 square is. What is root 2 square? No out of turn, children. No out of turn. Yes, no. Yes, go. 2. Okay. Somebody else. What is root 3 square? Navya. Navya. 3. Lower your hands, please, children, because I'm not able to. Lower your hands. Lower your hands, children. Yeah, thanks. Yes, Shweta. Shweta, now. Children, please mute. Children, please mute. Yeah, one. If you are not answering, mute. Now tell me what is 2 into root 2 into root 3? Anybody? Raise your hands. No, I will know your name. Raise your hand and lower it. Raise your hands. Uh, yes, Harshita. Lower your hands, children. Other children, lower. Lower your hand. How 2 square into 3? But 2 is in 1, 2 is outside the house, 1, 2 is inside the house. What did I tell you in multiplication? What do you do? Outside the house cannot multiply with inside the house. So, yes. What does it tell again? Tell again. Tell again. Yeah, lower your hands, children. Children, 2 root. Should I combine the house? Yes, I should combine the house. In multiplication, I can combine the house. All children, lower your hands, please. Okay, then I got 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is how much? 2 plus 5. So I get 5 equal to 5 plus 2, and root 2 into 3 is how much? 6. And this is the answer. Yes, child, how can you add 5 plus 2? Yeah, again, we are doing the same mistake. Can I add? Can I add? Now, see, I have 5 plus 2 multiplied by root 6. Can I add 5 and 2? I cannot add because there's multiplication sign. We can't add because this is different and this whole entire thing is different. They are not friends. Only if it was, suppose this was multiplication. Suppose this was multiplication. Then I could write 10 root 6. 5 multiplied by 2. Okay, but in addition, nothing can be done. Nothing can be done. Why? Because this is a rational number and this combination is an irrational number. I cannot add I cannot add rational and irrational number. Clear? Yeah. Yes. Yes, please. Yes. Not this. Wait, wait. Yeah. 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 Square root of 2, yes. But 2 is outside the house. There is 2 and there is square root 2. So it outside the house cannot combine with inside the house. Always remember, outside the house cannot go inside the house. Okay? Understood? Clear? Yeah. So, yeah, only inside the house once we can combine. Clear? Yeah. So, yeah. So now we go to our next identity, and the next identity is, write down children, 2. Who's confused? I just now did example, child. And in worksheet I will give you. Okay. Now there is something called a minus b, the whole square. What happens here? Yes, Dakshani, yes. No, no, no. Yes. So this is, give me the answer, no? Yes. Very good. B square to AB. Very good. Excellent. So children, by heart this also. In some day, if I have time, I will explain how this comes. But today, we just have to by heart it because this was already taught in 8th. A minus B the whole square. Yeah, good, good. So we'll do it. We'll discuss it later for those who don't know. So now suppose, yes, Harshita. Yes, Harshita, tell me. Your hand is raised, Harshita. Yeah. Okay. So now tell me, children. Okay. Now, children, tell me if I have 5 minus 2 the whole square. What is direct answer? 5 minus 2, 3 square. Correct? 5 minus 2 is 3 equal to 9. This is direct answer. Let us see if the formula is correct. Okay, let us try with the easy number. Let us try first. Then we will take square roots. Okay. Now tell me, 5 minus 2 the whole square. What is A? B? Okay. So now tell me what happens. Anybody raise your hands. Who wants to do it? Yeah. I want Shubhashri to do it. Shubhashri, do it. Yes. 5 square minus. Look at the sign, child. Plus 2 square. Okay. Minus 2 into. Yes. So what is 5 square? Shubhashri? 25 plus. Okay. Minus. Very good. So 25 plus 4 is how much? Minus 20. 9. So we got 9. Same answer. From shortcut method also we had got 9. Long cut method also we got 9. But why we should do for easy numbers we need not do. So this formula is when we have tough numbers like irrational numbers and all. That is when we have to use the formula, and when we have big numbers. So suppose I say now, yes Govardhan, yes Govardhan, Govardhan, yeah. Now children please mute. Pawan. Yeah, now see, now I have square root. Now, yes, now I cannot do direct, no? Root 5 minus root 3 is not root 2, correct? Now I want somebody to do it for me. Who will do? Quickly, children. Pawan has answered a lot. Somebody else. No, Pawan, wait, hold on. Let everybody get a chance. Govardhan done. Bharg. Subhashi done already. Raise your hand, na child. Who's this? Sweta. Very good. Start. Okay, root 5 is A. Very good. So I will write this as A. Others can lower your hand, please. And root 3 is B. Okay, now tell me. So start. Start. Let's do. Root 5 square plus square root 3 square. Okay. In 2 into root 5. Huh? Don't say 5. 2 into root 5. Into root 3. What is root 5 square, Shweta? What is root 5 square? 5 only. Very good. And root 3 square? 3 only. And minus 2. Combine them together. How much is it? 5 into 3? How much? 15. So 5 plus 3 is how much? Shweta, lower your hand, please. Yeah, now tell. Equal to 5 plus 3? 8 minus 2 root 15. This is my answer. Why? Because I got a rational number here and irrational number. I cannot do anything more. Finished. 8 minus 2 root 15 is my answer. Very good. Clear, children? Write quickly. But you can write it on your own. So, children, this is very simple, but provided you do worksheet, then it will become practice. Every day I'm telling same thing. It's very simple. Technique is very simple. And this chapter is now full of technique only. There is no concept method here. Okay. Finished, Shweta? Okay. Now comes to our last identity. A plus B into A minus B equal to what? Anybody knows? Yes, Shubhashri. What is the answer? I wrote that. Shravant? Shravant. Yes, tell. Excellent. Excellent. So this is A square minus B square. Very simple. Try. Let us try with simple example. Okay. First, we always try with simple example. Then we will try difficult. 5 plus 4. 5 minus 4. Okay. 5 plus 4. 5 minus 4. Direct method is Pawan. Pawan, tell me direct answer. Direct shortcut method. Equal to 9. Huh? Pawan, I will give you stick now. I will beat you with stick. In online class, you will be the first student to get beating. Okay. Okay. So answer is 9. Okay. Now let us do long method. Who wants to do? Who is me? Raise your hands, children. Raise your hand. No, Govardhan. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. No, Shubhashi answered. Govardhan answered. Quickly. Anybody else? Shweta answered. Pawan answered. Subhashi answered. Anybody else? Come on, children. Come on, come on, come on. Navyashi answered. Bhargavi, quickly. We'll finish the class with this. Anybody? Children, this is very simple. Come on, children. Please try. Please try. I don't worry if you all make mistake. Don't worry. Raise your hands, children. Come on, quickly, quickly, quickly. Navyashi has also answered. Okay, Navya, start. Quickly, children. Yeah, start. Okay, 5 is A, 4 is? Yeah. So now tell me. Simple this is. So what is A? Very good. 5 square minus. What is 5 square? What is 4 square? What is the answer? 25 minus 16? Same. Clear? Very good. So now let us do a tough one. Okay, now let me just add square root to this. Square root 5 plus square root 4. Square root 5 minus square root 4. Now children, somebody who can answer? No, 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 no. No, no, Pawan. No, somebody else, somebody else, somebody else. Yes, Jayashree. Yes, Jayashree. Tell me. Root 5, root 5. Very good. And root 4 is B. Very good. So then the whole square, right? No, look up, look up, look up, look up the formula. No, no out of turn children. Let Jayashree answer. Minus, Jayashree, look up. A square minus B square. A square minus B square. Yes. Square. Yeah. What is root 5 whole square? No, it is the same number inside the house. It is 5. 5 square is 25, child. Root 5 square is 5. Okay. Now tell me, Jayashree, what is root 4 square? 4. Now tell me what is 5 minus 4? 1. This is your answer. Very good. So, children, this is a concept of using formula for calculating irrational number. Now you see in this what we got the answer. We had two rational numbers. Two irrational numbers. See, root 5 and root 5 is irrational. Correct, no? And root 4 is rational. Correct? Root 4 is 2 actually. Yeah? Okay. But I got my answer as rational. So, I could solve it with a formula. So this is what is identities, and this identity is very important. By heart these three identities. There is no option but to by heart it. Clear? If you want to understand the concept of these identities, we can have a separate class. But here now we don't have the time because wait, child, wait. Okay, so let me just first now stop